Welcome to how to use STYLPRO's Clear View Anti-Fog Heated Bathroom Mirror. In your box, you'll receive your mirror, your wall attachment piece, and your squeegee. To start with, find an even surface within your bathroom. Please note, this will not stay put on an uneven surface. To secure and loosen into position, simply twist in the direction of the arrows. Once you have found your even surface, apply with a small bit of pressure and twist to tighten. This will now be in place. Now it's secure, simply take the mirror in two hands, lock it into place and move to the desired angle. To remove the mirror, take in both hands, turn at a 90-degree angle and it will simply release. To charge the mirror, simply lift this piece of silicone with the on-off button on the back of the mirror and using the USB-C provided plug in. The wave symbols at the front will flash green to indicate it's charging. To start, simply peel off the protective film. Find the button at the back to switch on and long hold down. The LED lights will appear and the red light at the front will indicate that the panel at the back is heating up. If any large droplets of water fall on your mirror, use the handy squeegee to simply wipe away. Your mirror will turn off automatically after 7 minutes. However, if you do want to turn it off sooner, press the button at the back and it will shut down. Thank you for watching, and if you have any other questions, email teamtom@stylideas.com.